Okay, today for grammar, we're doing lesson 25. So go to page 27. All right, so today we are talking about how to change a singular noun into a plural noun when it ends with a Y, with the letter Y. Okay, so if it ends with a Y, we change the Y to an I and then add ES. Okay, so let's do some down here. So puppy, we would write the word, but when we get to the Y, we're going to change it to an I and add ES. Puppies. Okay, now we can do that because the letter before the Y is a consonant. But if the letter before the Y is a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, if it's one of those letters, we have to leave it as a Y and add ES. Or not ES, sorry. We leave it as a Y and just add S. So for number 2, donkey, before the Y is an E, which is a vowel, so we just add an S, donkeys. So you have to check what letter is before the Y. If it's a consonant, you change it to an I and add ES. If it's a vowel, you just add S and leave the Y. Okay, so try to do 3, 4, 5, and 6 by yourself and come back and I'll go over the answers with you. Okay, number 3, the letter before the Y is an L, which is a consonant. So we change the Y to an I and add ES. Number 4, the letter before the Y is an R, which is a consonant. So we change the Y to an I and add ES. Number 5, lady. The letter before the consonant, before the Y is a consonant. So we change the Y to an I and add ES. And number 6, the letter before the Y is an A, which is a vowel. So we just add S. Okay, so make sure you have those correct. All right, so for part B, numbers 1 through 6, the word that is in parentheses, you're going to write it as the plural in each sentence. So on number 1, we have the word party. So we're going to change it. We're going to have to make it plural. So P-A-R-T, that's a consonant. So we change the Y to an I and add E-S to make parties. Okay, so try to see if you can do 2 through 6 by yourself. So pause and do that, and then come back and I'll give you the answers. Okay, number 2, dish, ends in SH, so we add ES for dishes. Number 3, blueberry, there's a consonant before the Y, so we change it to an I and add ES. Number 4, key, the letter before the Y is a vowel, so we leave it and add S. Number 5, window, we just add S. And number 6, tray, the letter before the Y is a vowel, so we leave it and just add S. Okay, so make sure you have all of those correct. Okay, part C, you're going to pause and circle all of the nouns in the paragraph. Every person, place, thing, or animal you are going to circle. So pause and circle all the nouns and then come back and see if you found them all. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the words and you just make sure that you have circled them. So let's see if you found all of the nouns. So you should have circled Clara, grandma, house, place, hutch, field, rabbits, hutch, Clara, kittens, shed, grandma, cow, house, grandma, Clara, milk, cow, grandma, rolls, cookies, grandma, stories, Clara, bed, night, Clara, blankets, grandma, grandma, Clara, Clara, grandma. Woo, had a lot of nouns. So if you need to pause and make sure you have them all, you can do that. And then we have one last part on page 28. All right. We're going to write the plural form of each noun. And then you're going to find them in the word search. So for dentist, we just add S. Toys. Okay, so I did the first row for you. And then pause and see if you can do the second row by yourself. All right, so you should have okay, and then all you have to do is find all of these nouns in the word search, and then you are done for today.